Welcome to the revolutionary world of subfloor preparation with WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer, the key to creating a superior bond for your flooring projects. Get ready to witness a primer that's not just ready to use, but ready to transform your subfloor into a masterpiece. Let's dive into the magic of WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer. WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer is your go-to solution for enhancing your bond when using WAKOL leveling compounds. It's the perfect solution when priming over WAKOL PU 280 moisture barrier or WAKOL MS 330 moisture barrier, ceramic tiles, natural stone flooring, terrazzo, cast asphalt, or wooden substrates such as OSB or plywood indoors. With zero VOCs, you can ensure that your job site is safe because we not only care about you, but also the environment around you. WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer creates a non-slip surface, adding an extra layer of security to your flooring. WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer is suitable for underfloor heating, ensuring your space is not just beautiful, but also warm and inviting. No hassle, no fuss. WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer is ready to use straight from the container, saving you time and effort in your flooring preparation. Excellent coverage rates with WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer. Get up to 400 square foot per gallon when using the Loba Roller Microfiber 6080. Transform your subfloor into a canvas of possibilities with WAKOL D 3045 Special Primer, where versatility meets simplicity. Visit our website or contact your local distributor today.